Hello guys, welcome to Intellect Skills. In this tutorial, we are going to discuss HTML list. So let's begin. So, what are HTML list? HTML lists are used to present list of information in a well-formatted and systematic way. There are two different types of lists that are most commonly used in HTML. The first is unordered list, and then we have the ordered list. So let's quickly check this on a text editor. Okay, so we have a basic HTML structure ready and saved as list.html. Let's first begin with our unordered list. To begin with, we type the opening and closing UL tags that stands for unordered list. Now, within our UL tags, we have our LI tags that stands for list items. We can add as many list items as we want. So let's type some text within our list items. Okay, so for a better understanding, LI elements are also referred to child elements with the UL being the parent. Now let's understand the ordered list. To begin with, we type the opening and closing OL tags, where OL tags stands for ordered list. Now within our OL tag, we have the LI tags that stands for list item. So let's type some text within our list items. Okay, now let's check the output on our browser. So as you can see, the list items in unordered list are marked with bullets, while the list items in an ordered list are marked with numbers. We can change the styling for each list element using CSS that we will learn in the upcoming videos. So that's it for this video. If you do have any questions, please do comment below and I will try to answer them as soon as I can. So if you like this video, hit the like button, and if you're new to my channel, please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive a notification on all my latest videos. So stay tuned and keep learning.